Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT login problem. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to fix a ChatGPT login problem. I'm going to provide a couple of steps, so just follow me closely. First, check your internet connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Of course, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to check if the issue is related to your connection. I'd like you to know that sometimes login issues can occur due to server outages. So visit the OpenAI status page to check if there are any ongoing service interruptions. If the servers are down, wait until OpenAI resolves the issues. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing cache and cookies can resolve conflicts caused by outdated data. So for Google Chrome, all you need to do is to click on the three dots menu that is right at the top right corner of your screen. Click on delete browsing data and follow through the prompt to clear your cache. So select cookies and cached images and files, then click on clear data. For other browsers, you can just follow similar steps to clear cache and cookies. Once you're done with that, restart your browser and try logging into ChatGPT again. Step 4, disable browser extensions. I'd like you to know that some browser extensions such as ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with the login process. Now, disable extensions temporarily to see if that resolves the issues. Now, how do you disable that? In Chrome, go to settings, go to extensions, and then toggle off all extensions. Once you're done with that, try logging in again and see if the problem is fixed. Step 5. Use incognito/private mode. Open an incognito or private window in your browser to bypass issues caused by saved data and extensions. In Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, select New Incognito Window, and then go to chatgpt.com to try logging in again. Step 6. Update your browser. An outdated browser may cause compatibility issues with ChatGPT, so ensure your browser is up to date. How do you do that? In Chrome, go to Settings, go to About Chrome, and check for updates. Update the browser and restart it before trying again. Step 7. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try using a different browser like Firefox, Edge, Safari, or a different device like phone, tablet, or computer. Now, this helps identify if the problem is browser or device specific. Step 8, reset your password. If you're having trouble with credentials, click on Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address to receive a password reset link and follow the instructions to reset your password. Step 9, check for account suspension or restrictions. If there are issues with your accounts like suspensions or restrictions, you may receive an email from OpenAI. So contact OpenAI support if you suspect your account is suspended or restricted. Now, step 10, contact OpenAI support. If none of the above steps work, contact OpenAI support team for help. So visit OpenAI Help Center and select Submit a Request. Provide details about the login issue, including any error messages, to receive further assistance. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.